Hello everyone. We are looking at chapter determinants, phase 5, exercise 1, question number 10. Question number 10. Two square matrices are given and we have to find, they have to be of the same order. Okay. So we have to find the value of this. Okay. So this is based on this important property that if A into B is a matrix and we have to find the determinant value of AB, this is nothing but determinant value of A and determinant value of B. So once we recall this property, then it is quite easy. This is nothing but 20 into minus 20, which is minus 400, which is minus 400. So this is the important thing, very useful. So determinant basically breaks down. We call it that determinant to jata hai when we find the product of the matrix. Okay. Thank you.